Hey, what's up, YouTube? Another update. March 1st, 2015. Welcome. Another trading week that was actually a great week. I kind of missed it because I was doing other things. I actually did trade for a couple hours every day. Because I know I wasn't gonna be able to watch my computer this week because I've had some other things I've had to do. But I still give you guys a couple of updates, a couple of winning trades we had from last week. This week, I think I did JetBlue. I took a trade in JetBlue at around the 750, 760 area. All right, it didn't go to 851 because, like I said, we bought that stock at a high point already. I mean, you're expecting it to pull back, but trying to ride the momentum sometimes, you have to know what you're doing. So it did hit 810, 820. And actually, once it crossed back over 18, we did scale out of this position. And we're looking to buy more. I don't know if this week how it's gonna act, but if it comes down around the level, because it was at 1730, we're gonna buy more. I wasn't at my desk, like I said, this week to actually get in heavier into these trades. So you make a little money, you keep it moving, all right. But this update right now I'm doing is more because this morning I actually checked my Twitter page. I haven't been on Twitter. I don't have that much followers on Twitter yet, but I actually checked my Twitter page and I saw picture from Peter Resnick, who actually took a picture of his winning trade. I don't know if it was from Friday or Thursday, but all I know is he had a trade where he bought 20,000 shares at $119. And for you guys who are math geniuses, I'm not. All right, I'm not a math guy. I can't barely do math, people. So you do the math. 20,000 shares at $119. Okay, whatever that amount is, this is the amount that this guy's playing with, and he used this amount this morning or that morning, and he actually made actually made $22,600 in that one day. One day, all right, he actually made that happen. All right, I've been following Peter, Brad, the guys at ShadowTrader.net. You know what I'm saying? I've been following them for a few years now. I listen to them. I mean, Charlie begins a Squawk at Squawk. I follow this guy too. There's a few other people I follow. Clay Trader. There's a few people that I follow that they give educational insight to what's really going on. At first, you might not get it because almost nobody does. All right, but once you start getting it, you start understanding what's going on. Something, like I said, something happens where when you get it, you get it. So I took a picture of my Twitter page of his picture that he posted of that trade. You know what I'm saying? There's no secret. Nobody's hiding nothing. And like I said, people still do not believe when I post these pictures up. They still call and ask, "Is this real? Is this really happening? Or people really making this kind of money?" My friend, everybody, you guys need to stop asking me this. All right. Because if you're going to ask me and I'm telling you there are people making this kind of money, you have to also ask yourself, how are these people setting themselves up to make this kind of money? See, between me and you and me, we don't have Peter's money to play with. We don't have, that kind of money to buy a stock and make $22,000 in a day. But that is the goal. The goal is for you, me, us to try to get our money up so we can be at that point. But I see there's a lot of people still skeptical of, what's going on? Oh, that's not really happening. Oh, can I open them an account? Check emails. Okay, emails. How much money do I need to start? Okay, where should I open my account at? How much money again I need to start? Okay, how many years does it take for me to start seeing my money? Okay, how long does it take for my money to give me profits? Like, I'm getting the same questions over and over. All right, and the reason I'm getting the same questions is because, like I said, people are not reading between the lines of when people say it takes money to make money. It doesn't mean that as soon as you get a little bit of money or you have more money than you had last month, you must jump in to do something that you didn't do. How about just put the money to the side? All right, these pictures I send you, the trades that I've taken, like I said, if you watch any of my videos, I told you last year, the year before, I used to trade like a renegade, man. I'm trying to follow everybody else what they're doing because I see they're making money, but their system does not work for me, and I know why it doesn't work for me. Not that their system doesn't work. It doesn't work for me because I don't have the financial support that they have to fill certain positions, I don't have. And if you talk to a guy like Peter, a guy like Brad, they'll tell you, I might look at their money and feel like they got a lot of money and they're working with a lot of, like, but it's not about the amount of money they're working with, because there are hedge fund companies that are working with 10, 20 times, 100 times more money than what I just posted on my page. So if he's working with that kind of money, he made 26,000. Can you imagine big hedge funds guys, big companies, the guys who are moving millions and millions? Can you imagine how much money they're making? And my plan, my goal was always now is to follow the money, not try to dictate and go against what the market is doing, go against the charts. You don't go against the charts. If the charts are going this way, you follow them. You take what you can and you get out. The more you got when that opportunity shows itself, the more you got to boom, I'm going in. You ride that. You ride that wave, and as you ride that wave, you're seeing green, 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 green. That's it. It sounds simple enough. It is. It takes a while to understand how simple it is. It takes a while to understand. You can't push the market. You can't move the market. I can't move the market. All right. Even when I do get up to $1 million and I'm trading, I still can't move the markets. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like, this is not something that I'm doing right here in Queens Village in New York. This is something that people are doing all over the world. All right. If I'm telling you Tesla, GoPro, Microsoft, Facebook, people are trading that stock all over the globe. It's not me just trading that stock. It's not just these guys I just named, Brad, Peter, and these guys just trading these stocks. It's everybody trading these stocks. So your goal is to just set yourself up. You go along for the ride, and that's it. All right. So on my Facebook, I posted, Peter's gains. You guys should really take a look at that. Also on what was the other one? There was on my Facebook going back a week or two. You guys can double check where Twitter was, where Twitter's at now. Even though it's not active, it was like, well, Twitter's not acting up. I mean, it's acting up right now, but it's acting up at 48. Even if it comes down to 46, my friend, we got in Twitter at 39. So what difference does it make if it give back some? Every time it pull back, you know what? You look at the charts, you scale it down, or you scale it up. All right, or you do nothing because you're already into profits. Do nothing. If it comes back to a level where you feel like it's gonna move, you buy it. It's just that simple. All right, but we're not gonna sit here and keep going over and over the same thing. But I just wanted to read some of the emails that that I'm still getting. And every time I post these pictures, please stop sending me these emails. Is this for real? Yes, it is for real. These are live when I put them. These are when they happen, before, after. So yes, they're real. So all you people with the doubts of if people are making money, if people are really trading, if I'm really trading, my friend, this is me right here. You know what I'm saying? You see what I'm playing with right here? This is me. So at the end of the day, yes, we are making, money, but like I said, everybody's not making the same amount of money. And the goal is to get to that point where you are making this kind of money. All right. So I have another meeting to tend to. What time is it? It's almost 3 o'clock. All right. What time is it? 2 o'clock? Yeah. All right. I have a 3 o'clock. Gotta get something to eat. But those of you guys who's following me, thank you for the support, the emails, and like I said, those of you who still have doubts, hey, Mr. Google knows everything. You need to Google some of your information that you're trying to find and at least put in some time, do your own research. Okay, don't let me do the whole research for you, because I have my mind right now is going 1,000,000 miles a second. All right. Once you realize what's going on, like, you can't stop. So a lot of people who's trying to work with me, like I said, I'm not stopping you guys from working with me. You guys are stopping yourself from working with you. All right. You know what I mean? You have to open the door. Okay, open the door for the good things to start happening. You know what I mean? And that starts by doing your research. All right. I'm not an investor. I'm not a financial advisor anymore. I'm not telling you what you should do for you. I could care less. All right. For the simple fact is, we always gonna have a back and forth. All right. I follow these guys, these people that I'm naming, these people that some of them I practically known. I don't even know. Some of them I know through emails, through conversation, through the chat room. Some of these guys I know. You know what I'm saying? Because the last couple of years, these are the only support that I've had when it comes to doing business. So as far as doing this business, as far as, you know, everybody else who never supported what I was doing, who still don't believe in what I'm doing, please stay the hell off my site, stay the hell off my YouTube page, stay the hell off my Facebook. All right, because this is not for you. This is for those people who are trying to better themselves without really changing too much of what they're doing, because changes are hard to make. So that's why, like I said, you just got to start from somewhere and just leave that plan B while you struggle with plan A that, you know, everybody seems to be struggling with right now. But please keep sending me the emails, the number 3, the letter D, consult me, and I will make another video for you guys, updating you guys exactly on some of these trades when I exit them, because some of them I'm not going to exit, because like I learned, if the trade is acting well, you stay with the trade. And some of these trades I'm only netting 20, sometimes 30, sometimes 40, sometimes $50 a day. I can't call a day. All I know is some days it's going to give me, some days it's going to lose. It's how you manage it. All right, and at this point, at this time, for you guys who are confident that, you know, you need to do something else, who's looking to do something else, this is it. All right, this is it. So send me those emails. I will hear from you guys again. The number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Peace.